Welcome back. In this video, we will learn about communication technologies used in industrial IoT, including how machines, sensors, and devices exchange information efficiently. So first is definition, in which communication technologies in industrial Internet of Things are used to connect industrial devices, machines, sensors, controllers, and cloud systems so that they can exchange data in real time. These technologies help industries in automation, monitoring, remote control, data sharing, smart decision making. Okay, so basic communication architecture of in IoT is sensor that integrate with gateway, and after that it integrate with cloud servers. Then gateway is then cloud server is integrated with monitoring UI, and the monitoring UI is integrated with actuators, and the actuators is integrated with sensors. So this whole the cycle will begin. Okay, so need for communication in industrial Internet of Things is communication technologies are important for real-time monitoring, machine-to-machine communication, remote operation, data analytics, predictive maintenance, and industrial automation. Okay, so types of communication technologies in IoT is first is Wi-Fi. What is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is a wireless communication technology used for medium-range data transfer. The features of Wi-Fi is high speed communication, wireless connectivity, easy installation. And the advantages of Wi-Fi is fast data transfer, supports multiple devices, and low infrastructure cost. Okay, so disadvantages of Wi-Fi is limited range, it have higher power consumption, and the application of Wi-Fi is used in smart factories, used in industrial monitoring, and used in wireless sensors. Okay, the second communication technology is Bluetooth. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a short range wireless communication technology. The features of Bluetooth is it have low power consumption, it have short distance communication. The advantages of Bluetooth is energy efficient and it is low cost. Okay, so that's why. And the disadvantages of Bluetooth is it have small coverage area and it also have lower speed than Wi-Fi. So that's why it is not highly used than Wi-Fi. Okay, so applications of Bluetooth is it used in wearable devices, also it is used in industrial sensors, and it integrate with device pairing. The third technology is Zigbee. What is Zigbee? Zigbee is a low power wireless communication protocol mainly used in sensor networks. It have low power consumption, also it have mesh networking supports. The advantages of Zigbee is suitable for battery powered devices, and it is reliable to communication. And the disadvantages of Zigbee is it have low data transfer speed. The applications of Zigbee is first is it is used in smart lighting, second it is used in also industrial sensor networks, and it have used in home automation. Okay, so fourth technology is RFID. What is RFID? RFID is radio frequency identification. It is uses radio waves to identify and track objects automatically. The components of RFID is first is RFID tag, then RFID reader, and then database system. Okay, so advantages of RFID is it is fast tracking, it have no physical contact needed. The applications of RFID is it uses inventory management, it used also in asset tracking and supply chain monitoring. The fifth one technology is LoRaWAN. So what is LoRaWAN? LoRaWAN is a long range low power communication technology used in IoT applications. The feature of this is it have long distance communication and it is very low power usage. The advantages is it is suitable for remote areas and it is have long battery life. The disadvantages is low data rate, and the applications of LoRaWAN is it used in smart agriculture, smart cities, and environmental monitoring. The sixth technology is cellular networks like 4G and 5G. Means cellular networks provide wireless internet communication using mobile networks. So like 5G features, it have very high speed, ultra low latency, and massive device connectivity. The advantages of this is real time communication and reliable connectivity. And the applications of this technology cellular networks is it uses in smart manufacturing, autonomous vehicles, and remote robotics. And the seventh technology is Ethernet. Okay, so Ethernet is a wired communication technology used in industries. The features of Ethernet is it is stable communication, it have high speed data transfer, Okay, so advantages of Ethernet is it is reliable network and it have high security, and disadvantages it requires complex wiring for that communication. Okay, the applications of Ethernet is it uses in PLC communication and industrial automation. Okay, so next concept is IIoT communication protocols. Okay, which protocols we used in Internet of Things. Okay, so first is MQTT, message queuing telemetry transport. What is this? It is a lightweight messaging protocol for IoT devices. It have features like it have low bandwidth usage, and it also have fast communication. The applications of MQTT is it is remote monitoring, and it also used in sensor communications. And the second is COAP. What is COAP? Constant application protocol. It is designed for low power IoT devices, and it is lightweight and it is efficient for communication. The third one is HTTP and HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and it is secure hypertext transfer protocol. It is standard web communication protocols. It is used in cloud communication and web dashboards. Next is OPCUA. It is an industrial communication protocol used in automation systems. It have secure communication and it is a platform independent. Okay, the applications of this is it uses in smart factory and industrial control systems. Okay, so here are the comparison of that overall comparison. Okay, so challenges in IIoT communication. First is security issues because hackers may attack industrial networks. Second is network reliability, in which communication failure can stop the production. That's why it is a challenging. Next one is interoperability, in which different devices may use different protocols. Next is latency, in which delay in communication affect the real time systems. Okay, so that's why it is very challenging for that. And next is scalability, in which large industrial networks are difficult to manage. Okay, so next is applications of communication technologies in industrial Internet of Things. First is smart manufacturing, predictive maintenance, smart grid technology, asset tracking, and remote monitoring. And the advantages of communication technologies in IoT is real-time monitoring, continuous observation of industrial systems, improved efficiency, reduce maintenance cost, and better decision making. And the next is automation support. Okay, so in which enables smart industrial automation. The conclusion of that overall concept is communication technologies are the backbone of the IoT systems. Technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee. That's all for communication technologies in IIoT. In the next video, we will see how machine learning is used for condition monitoring in industry.